All right, time for some Thursday birthdays in the 4 states, and we're going to start in Pittsburgh with Braden Smithson celebrating birthday number 6. Happy birthday, Braden.
All right, and we've got Emmalou Whitley turning 12 years old this year in Thayer, Kansas. Hope you have a wonderful birthday, Emmalou.
And Lilia Slates celebrating number 13 in Lamar. A very happy birthday to you.
All right. Colson Gulliger turning 14 years old this year. Colson is in Fort Scott.
And we've got Jordan Meadows celebrating birthday number 31 in Pittsburgh. Happy birthday, Jordan.
All right, happy birthday, Jordan, and happy birthday to Joseph King, who's now 33 years old. Hope you have a wonderful birthday. Looks like a Chiefs fan there. Joseph is in Parsons.
And Mona Brumbaugh celebrating birthday number 63 in Pittsburgh. A very happy birthday to you, Mona.
Dale Gauthier celebrating another year wiser. Check out that throwback pic. Perfect for a Thursday there. It says, here's a little note. He's the one with the baseball glove in the picture. Yeah, happy birthday with love from your family.
We've also got Melinda Brown celebrating a birthday today. Happy birthday to you, Melinda.
And in Oronogo, Missouri, Sam Jackson, happy birthday to you.
And celebrating in Columbus is Wayne Thomas. Happy birthday, Wayne.
All right, and our very own J-Dub McCoy. We go way back with this one. J-Dub, one of our KOAM marketing consultants. See him for all of your advertising needs. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, J-Dub. And we've also got Keisha Newberry celebrating a birthday today. Happy birthday, Keisha.
Cherie Snyder in Fort Scott, happy birthday to you.
And last but absolutely not least, Bill Hickman celebrating birthday number 84 in Deerfield with love from all of his family. Happy birthday to all of you today. And Tanya, what do they need to do so they can celebrate with us every morning?
All they have to do is send us an email with their picture, birth date, and all the details. Don't forget their name, of course, to birthdays with an S at KOAMnewsnow.com.
And of course, while you're on our website, checking out some of the really awesome things it has to offer, make sure you take time to sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club. It is easy to do, and you get great deals from local businesses as well as a happy birthday message from your friends here at KOAM. So make sure you sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club today.